Okay, so now let's talk about the captured area. So, same example pa rin, half-wave dipole, and nag-i-emit ulit siya ng EM wave. Okay? So, let's say yung receiving antenna natin is a parabolic dish antenna or satellite dish antenna. So, satellite, okay, parabolic dish antenna. Okay? So, yung captured area is the amount of power na na-capture ng receiving antenna. No? Okay? And captured area is defined as A sub C, or captured area is equals to the gain of the receiving antenna. In this case, yung receiving antenna natin is the parabolic dish antenna, multiplied by lambda squared, okay, over 4 pi. Okay? So, next, yung power received nung receiving antenna, no, or PR. So, ito naman is the product of the power density multiplied by the captured area. Okay? So, sige, magbigay ako ng example para mas maintindihan natin. Okay, so let's calculate the captured power 10 kilometers away from a half-wave dipole transmitter with 10 watts of transmitted power for the following antenna at 150 MHz. Okay, so letter A, Hertzian dipole. Okay, letter B, half-wave dipole. So, mas maganda is i-drawing natin yung scenario. Okay? So, tinatanong is yung captured power 10 kilometers away from a half-wave dipole. Ito yung ating dipole antenna. Okay? So, 10 kilometers away. Yung receiving antenna natin is a Hertzian dipole, which is yung length niya is less than a wavelength. Okay? Yung gain ng dipole natin is 1.64 and yung gain ng Hertzian dipole is 1.5. Okay? So, kunin natin yung captured power ni Hertzian dipole. So, PR is equals to power density multiplied by the captured area. So, yung power density natin is EIRP, power transmit nung transmitting antenna natin, in this case, yung dipole. So, PT multiplied by the gain of the transmit antenna divided by 4 pi, yung distance, 10 kilometers. So, lagay ko muna is R squared. Mamaya na natin i-substitute yung mga values. Times the captured area. Captured area is gain naman ng receiving antenna, okay, multiplied by lambda squared divided by 4 pi. Okay, so lambda natin is wavelength, speed of light divided by the operating frequency. So, transmitted power is 10 watts. Gain ng transmitting antenna natin is 1.64, yung gain ng dipole, divided by 4 pi. R natin is 10 kilometer, 10 times 10 to the positive 3 squared, times gain ng receiving antenna natin, yung Hertzian dipole, 1.5. C over F, so C squared. Yung operating frequency natin is 150 MHz squared. Okay. 4 pi. Ayan. Okay, so sagot natin dito is 6.23 nano watts. Okay? Second scenario. If yung receiving antenna naman natin is a half-wave dipole. So, diretso ko na, no? Hindi ko na i-drawing. No? Yung Hertzian dipole dito sa illustration ko, gawin nyo lang siyang half-wave dipole. So, yung formula natin, yung PR equals, diretso ko na dito sa PT/GT. Okay, PT/GT over 4 pi R squared times captured area 4 pi. So, papalitan lang natin yung value ng GR, no? Yung gain ng receiving antenna natin. So, power transmit, ganun pa rin, 10 watts. Gain ng transmitting antenna natin is dipole pa rin naman, no? 1.64 divided by 4 pi, 10 times 10 to the positive 3 squared, 10 kilometers, times gain ng receiving antenna is 1.64 na parehas dipole. C squared 4 pi 150 times 10 to the positive 6 squared. Okay, so ito naman ang sagot dito is 6.81 nanowatts.